Hello guys, my name is Jivan Emmanuel Isule, and I was born December 1, 2006. I live in Tabangi in Bulacan with my family. I was graduated at ATEC Technological College and now currently taking BS Industrial Engineering in Bulacan State University. My hobbies are playing basketball, playing chess, playing online games, and playing bass guitar. Personal goal is to become an industrial engineer and to have a business, and of course to travel around the world. And that's all guys. Thank you for watching.